Hello. Good afternoon. Rushikesh Tapshalkar from mpcnews.in. I think almost similar website what Ganga has, but this is totally in Marathi. So it was started way back in 2008. I think same period as what. It was started by basically journalists. I mean, I was working with Indian Express Pune as a press photographer. My colleague Vivek Inamdar, he was chief reporter with Lok Satta. We used to work in Pimpri Chinchwad. Pimpri Chinchwad is a township just near to Pune. And while working, we used to get state motherly treatment from our main this thing. More news about Pune and very less news about Pimpri Chinchwad. So we decided to start a platform, give a platform to the citizens of Pimpri Chinchwad, and then thus we thought to start something. Newspaper, first option, which was not possible because of fundings and other reasons. Then while working with Indian Express, we came out with this idea to start an online portal for Pimpri Chinchwad. It is totally a community news portal, just like what Citizen Matters is. It is totally in Marathi. Catering only to Pimpri Chinchwad, Talegaon, Kamshet, Devrod till Lonavala. And basically we are non-biased. Even we work for activism, but we never do activism. We support them. We are not activists. Journalist is a non-biased person, so we do support activism. The basic idea was neighborhood news. International news you get within minutes through TV channels and other medias, but neighborhood news you get it at least it takes 24 hours to reach you to newspapers. In 2008 there were no major TV channels, also local TV channels. They started in late 2008, 2009. So we started with basic, focusing more on neighborhood news. While doing this, we didn't had much funds to publicize it. So what my partner did was he started sending headlines through SMSs, and that SMS news became a big hit, and it is now a separate service. It is a paid service. We have around 5,000 subscribers in Pimpri Chinchwad, and even Pimpri Chinchwad Corporation officers are subscribed to this news service, and PCMC is paying for this service. Okay, this is a very instant delivery system. I'll give some examples. In Uttarakhand tragedy, PCMC came up with an helpline number, and they wanted us to flash it immediately, and our was the only media to flash it immediately. Within minutes, they started getting calls. Till 18 hours, this number was flashed only through our SMS news service and through our news portal. There was a guy who was trapped on the tree. Even he called that number. I mean, this is the power of that SMS service. Second example, we have a grade separator, a concretized road without any signals, very fast lane. There was a huge pothole inside on that grade separator, and a guy, he met with an accident because of that pothole. I was passing by. It was 9 p.m. in the night. From the spot, I SMS that incident, and I went to Pune. While I was returning back, I saw PCMC officers with that huge concrete mixer repairing that pothole. I was back by 11:30. Within 2.5 hours, PCMC officers came and they have solved that problem. But this is the second impact. Third is about utility news. That will come down. Utility news, while interacting with our readers, we thought, we were told that we want news which is more helpful to us. So we started giving them traffic news, water closure news, or which is the news which is more useful to this thing. Now you can see that there is a news 2500 cubic water now being released from Mulchi Dam in Mulla River. This was flashed 2 days back. At night, water to reach Wakad in couple of, and this is helping us, helping the citizens. Okay. The basic concept which behind this is we started Pimpri Chinchwad Antaranga, a weekly newspaper, which is a physical print media, which comes on every Thursday. Now, if anything news breaks up, we send an SMS. After that, within minutes, the news goes on to the web portal with photographs and videos. And nowadays, people don't have time to read newspapers. So, an analytical news stories we carry in this newspaper, which is published on Friday, and it reaches people by Saturday, Sunday through post. Basically Saturday or on Monday. So they get time, they have time, they read these analytical stories. This I told you about feedback from readers, utility news, and this has really helped us to increase our reach. We have visitors from 1206 cities across 104 countries. This site is in Marathi. Still, we have readers from different countries, cities. This means that Pimpri Chinchwadites are in these countries, and we are a media to connect them to their country and their city. Second thing, we have now launched responsive design. So we are on mobile, which is helping us again, and the citizens also. So we are in their hands. The news now goes into their hands through this mobile. The organization is basically run by journalists. No external funds are used. Yes, we do face financial constraints, but we are finding ways to solve it. It has become a role model. Many cities in Maharashtra have copied this idea, and even in our city now we have a competitor. Yeah, in Pune, many journalists have taken inspiration from us, and they have started their own businesses now. Thank you.
I have a question. How are you using social media?
Yeah, we are using social media. Basically, we have a number of pages dedicated to Pimpri Chinchwad, to Talegaon, Lonavala. Yeah, when we break a story, we definitely carry it on the Facebook, Twitter. Second thing, we have Facebook a share option, Twitter option below the news itself. So it is citizens, they are. We have niche Facebook pages like Khau Adda. Yeah, this is the need of the society, and just we started it 3 days back, and we are almost 700 likes. So we'll be coming out with different niche Facebook pages, but the story will be on mypimprichinchwad.com or mpcnews.in.
Any plans need for the place itself?
No, we don't have any plans because of financial constraints. But we do carry basic major stories from Pune. Major stories.
Any plans of like English?
It was a bilingual portal, but we got very poor response. And second thing, we don't have good resources available.
But since like you can now give a thought for that, because since social media is very
If there are good, if we get good resources, we can start it from tomorrow itself. It depends upon the resources.
How is the revenue which you are getting from advertisement? Is it helping you to sustain?
It is not helping us to sustain, but we have a different business model. Basically, we use our journalists and our staff for different purposes, multitasking basically. We have a PR agency. We are the local PR to Tata Motors, Lokmanya Hospital. We get cash from that. Second thing, SMS was a milking cow, but because of the TRAI decision and the regulation, now it has come down. We, after we launched this mobile responsive site, lots of people are interested, and I think we will be getting more revenue from advertisement because we are now directly in the hands of the citizens.
I think so 3 days back there was a kind of a message which was viral on WhatsApp. There's going to be a cloud blast.
Yeah.
It burst and heavy rains are expected, and it was just like a so I think in this current situation, whatever you are doing is really very good.
Yeah.
And genuine content would
In Pimpri-Chinchwad, unless and until MPC News SMS goes, people don't think any news is credible. That is what we have experienced. I'm not speaking on my own. This is what people talk about it. And we regularly, I mean, this is a platform for Pimpri-Chinchwadites. Citizens are coming up and they are posting. There is a group, IMC. They are also the winners. We first flashed them, and they are now all over Pimpri-Chinchwad, Pune, Mumbai, and every other media, mainstream media, has covered them. Thank you. Yeah.
So, one, how big is Pimpri-Chinchwad?
20 lakh population.
20 lakhs. All right. And on your SMS news service, how many headlines or news reports do you send out?
4 to 5 SMS per day, not
All
more
right.
than that.
All right. This is only things that are breaking news, or in case there's no breaking news in that sense, do you?
If there's no breaking news, we don't send any SMS.
All right. Thank
Because
you.
we don't want to, the genuinity of this news service, we are maintaining it.
All right.
देने का इसलिए कुछ देना, that is not the news. Unless and until there is a news, we'll send it.
All right. And through that-
Art news raha. If there are 8 or 10 news per day, we have sent that also.
Congratulations on the work you're doing.
Thank
It's
you.
good to meet somebody else.
Thank you, Rishikesh.
Thank you.